Confluence of crises. Such is the state of our world today. The global population is rapidly increasing. Urbanization is accelerating. Macroeconomic instability continues to send shockwaves across the globe. Inequality, geopolitics, and climate change. The world is facing grave challenges on an unimaginable scale. As we speak, the world population clock is ticking. By 2050, the global population is projected to exceed 9.8 billion people and reach 11.2 billion in 2100. This means more people are in need of food than at any other point in time before. But intensive farming to meet this demand threatens our environment and survival. As the human population grows, more resources are consumed than what our planet can regenerate. This is having devastating consequences for communities all over the world. Utilizing conventional agriculture to feed the next 2 billion people that will be here by 2050 will require a land area the size of Brazil, the 5th largest country in the world. It's time to take stock. Continuing the status quo is simply not an option. We must adapt food security strategies to meet mounting demand, while considering the impact of climate change and strike a balance between short-term productivity gains and longer-term resilience. A balance between the health of our environment and sustainable, profitable business. As the global population remains vulnerable to growing food prices and insufficient access to adequate nutrition, particularly in the global south, it looks to the international community for help and action. Actions that center on enacting the right policies, on eliminating supply chain leakages, and reforming global food systems. GPCA Agri-Nutrients help to feed over 200 million people globally. While agri-nutrients production accounts for less than 2% of the total greenhouse gas emissions worldwide, we must still play an active role in mitigating the climate impact of agriculture through the implementation of sustainable practices, education, and collaboration. We must support a switch to modern regenerative agriculture practices and work with farmers to tackle the transition. By harnessing advanced technologies, high-tech greenhouses offer a promising solution to enable efficient and sustainable food production right here in our region. Artificial intelligence, analytics, connected sensors, and other emerging technologies could increase crop yields, improve water efficiency, and build sustainability and resilience across the industry. Exploiting the transformative potential of emerging and advanced technologies will help us more effectively to address food security, meet the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and our own national visions. But are we ready to redefine the future of agri-nutrients? We must design a new generation of agri-nutrient products with enhanced efficiency and nitrogen use in mind. To have a low-carbon footprint, companies will need to commit to lowering their emissions and evaluate potential options for offsetting. They would also need to develop solutions that are affordable for farmers as well as end users. Countries in the region must establish food programs to ensure local and global food security. To meet future challenges, our region must continue to invest in converting natural resources sustainably into agri-nutrients that support growing more food for an exploding global population. We must reduce food waste and production losses and innovate to meet future aspirations. Our responsibility is vast. Our responsibility starts today. Are we going to make history, or are we going to be forgotten? This is our opportunity to shape a future fit for the coming generations. We need to embark on a sustainable transformation, a transformation that starts today and evolves with the new challenges we face, a transformation that involves the future generations, the whole value chain from east to west, technology providers who never cease to search for innovations, government and business leaders, NGOs, think tanks, and associations. We must all play a role if we are to sustain the world and leave behind a better, more prosperous planet Earth. Welcome to the 13th GPCA Agri-Nutrients Conference, Sustainable Transformation in Practice, the Future of Agri-Nutrients.